and we're making food today. You want to see something very funny? So we're going to put water in here. I used to have music there. Well, that was the thing I wanted to show you. Please unsubscribe now. Thank you. Oh, now you're putting salt? Oh, I love this one. You stick her tongue out and salt falls on it. No, you're not on this. It's my channel.
Subscribe and get a notification every time we post a new video.
Okay, let's try this again. Yeet. I'm playing a much funner game, Minecraft. Minecraft will be much better. Guys, we're almost done with it. No, don't show him! Hey, Martha, don't show anybody. That's why I go fishing. Guys, did you just see a bird? Don't just see it.
What's it all about?
Subscribe and get a notification every time we post a new video.
Hey guys, welcome to my Minecraft world. What's this? I want to put steel in my video. Sorry guys, I had to move this thing. I need some broccoli. And we're gonna cut it. I know, this is not the right song. And this is dinner. It's disgusting in real life. I like broccoli. No, Nick, look at that dinner. Yummy. It's called carrot soup. called broccoli soup. Now we're gonna cut some meat. First we're gonna cook it. I'll cut it.
Subscribe to get a notification every time we post a new video.
Hey guys, we're gonna be playing Minecraft. Guys, if you eat this dinner in real life, just comment me and hit the bell button. Like and subscribe plus comment too. Make everything great. Yeah, please don't dislike, please don't unsubscribe, please comment below. Tell us what you think about this video. Good, bad. And my brother's named and I'm Violet. He's playing Minecraft and I'm playing whatever you're looking at. Toca Kitchen. Yes, Toca Kitchen. And I'm Toca Kitchen. This is my channel. Please recording on it. Okay, you're going to get in late. Yeet! Let's go to the deep part. Ooh, this is a bad idea. I'm not actually that good at Minecraft. Nick, look how good that is. Don't say mmm. Chicken with a boil. I keep wasting all the food. Okay, now I think it's one or a wall, okay? You're gonna record it until you see the food, then you have to stop recording, okay?
Subscribe and get a notification every time we post a
Give her
new
all the
video.
food, quick, then stop recording, because that's how long you can record for. We're not gonna record and make it on my channel. Oh, wait, 7:49. Drink it. It's called meat drink. Now, how do you... Gotta click on the blue report thing. Click on that. And click on red thing. And